Onaku lwaleero tuzze ne mwamini Wabine Josi ono nga muna NRM
commissioned card of the NRM.
Commissioned card of the NRM.
Yes.
Oba nyogeko ne kyafutu soja abanoonyiza NRM akalulu mu grounds ez'enjawulo. Mr. Josi ono era former MP contestant mu Kabula County eyo mu Lyantonde district mu mwaka gwa 2010 is also a former MP aspirant of Yala 2022. Is also a national coordinator of the Pan-African Club. Mr. Josi, soko mbulize ku bantu ndoke nyanjula kiti tugenda okwanga twogera.
Abatuwuliriza n'abatulaba mbaniriza mu linnya lya Mukama Katonda waffe. Era nemba kutira nti mubeere nga mulaba amawulire ga mulengera kubanga bano bantu bemanyidde ebbanga ddene. They are very professional journalists, investigative journalists. Ate nga bantu ba kitiibwa nnyo, tubawa ekitiibwa batuwa amawulire agensa era agazimba eggwanga. So mbaniriza nnyo ddala.
Mr. Jesse.
Yes sir.
Tulina oli muna NRM.
Lukulwe.
NRM ero gimazeemu ebbanga ddene.
NRM by bus.
Being NRM
by bus kitegeeza nti simanyi kibiina kirala. I've never veered off the main
cause. It must be 40 years and above.
Exactly.
Hey.
I was born 1983.
Oh. Tuli mu kaseera nga election period etandise. NRM etandise gearing up for sake voting and elections. A process yetumanyi nti ebeeramu ebbugumu ly'amaanyi. Obadde mu NRM ogambye by bus.
By bus, I'm NRM by bus and by conviction.
I want to challenge you.
Yes, please.
NRM divided by bus. There are also some members that have been in some positions since NRM came to power. For example, President Yoweri Museveni. But ignoring him, setting him aside, my president. But even his next in line, vice chairperson mu NRM.
Guwandisenga twice. Oba second in command.
Second in command.
The second national vice chairperson.
Nabo they are not.
Actually, he's the vice chairperson. The national vice chairperson.
Yes, the national vice chairpersons of NRM. They are also not. They are not seemingly ready to leave at any time. Some of them have been in the position for over 25 years. For example, Haj Chigongo. Since NRM's inception, Mwali Mukifo, Kadaga, Ayaganti is not ready to go away. What is your take on these people that have been?
For example, I would want to exonerate President Museveni ne Chigongo. Kansoke ne Haj Chigongo. Haj Chigongo. Ngojeko ekifo ekyo kyalina kyabadde nakyo ebbanga ly'ogambye. He does not have any other responsibility in the party
and in government.
And in government. Now, President Museveni omuzanya squaringa mu mpira beera namba meka. Namba mwenda emanyize namba 10 ya squaringa ate.
Namba 10 ate oba namba 9 something.
Okay. Omanyika akati nze siri following nnyo. The last time I think about 15 years I was supporting Manchester United. Nenga mbadde njagala kuchululatinga to our political namba mwenda waffe NRM. Yoweri President Yoweri Museveni. Ate amaze ebbanga nga tumukulembeza nga ateeba. Kati oyo tuba tufaaki naye. Oyo nze ndaba omuntu abadde akyateeba. Kubanga olaba kati ffe abaigwanyiza ebifo bino. Responsibilities zaffe ate zandibadde okumuwa amaanyi. Okiraba? Oyo omusajja amenyeka nnyo. Omusajja yalowooleza Uganda, yalowooleza East Africa, yalowooleza amalwaliro, yalowooleza abasirikale, yalowooleza abapoliisi, yalowooleza ebyamazzi, yayogera ku by'amasanyalazi. Kati n'oweebuuza abalala bo bakola ki? Kati awo ffe we tugira.
Naye ate nga yabawo wa minisita yabawo wa
nati kakati omuntu bwakuwa obwa minisita tekitegeeza nti ate weebake. simply because this one you are saying this one, your president is so workaholic akora emirimo mingi kati gwe nosalawo n'ogenda newebaka era emiwaatwa egiri mu pate yaffe. It is simply because that's why you see him everywhere. He's coming to bridge that gap between the top echelon of the party and of the system and of the government and the grassroots voters. Ekyandibadde kikolebwa bali ate okiraba ekyandibadde kikolebwa bali bano our party members, the NEC members, the SEC members, the national delegates members, the councillors, the what era bonna.
Before we blame them, njagala kuyita mugwe maybe nkitegeere n'abatugobera n'obangero kitegeera. What is the role of a second member? For example, a vice chairman of the NRM, the vice women, the national chairman of the Women's League. What is their role? They have to before we blame them.
You see, first of all, when you look at our constitution, the constitution gives so many roles to the SEC members. Among those roles is policy formulation, policy implementation, forwarding candidates to other organs like NEC and SEC, for example, ngabagenda ku secretariat, among other responsibilities. Nayenze responsibility singa SEC members are supposed to be mobilizers. Kubanga President Museveni is the chief mobilizer of the party. He's the chief mobilizer of the party, chief organizer, and he is the commander in chief. Kati ng'ogyeko emirimu emirala ate gimuweebwa national constitution kubanga bwe tumala omulonda ate tasigala nga ali president wa party yokka. Kati abeera ki? Abeera president w'eggwanga ng'alina okutuukiriza ebintu to all the people. He has to deliver, through him there has to be a service delivery system to all the population, whether somebody voted for him or not. Ne ng'ate kaakati emirimu gy'alina okukola ng'alina abaseeki bonna emirimu president gy'olaba gy'akola balina okumuyambako. Mobilization, information dissemination, organization of the party, keeping in touch with the grassroots voters, and all sorts of things that should really consolidate the party in power. Why we are losing touch with the population is because akalulu bwe kaggwanga buli muntu adde ku kike. Oddamu mulabanga ki? Abakubisa ebifaananyi basigala babalabira ku bifaananyi. Abamu n'amasimu immediately bw'amala okubeera declared bw'ati ntono yasinze, ntono yawangudde. Immediately namba gyabadde bamufunirako eri mu kalulu ng'enamba ekyo awadde wali 0 ng'agendamu MTN ng'ateekako 2 or 3. So abantu bamunoonya baagala kumanya ate bamba abalonzi baffe olwakuba nti mu mitwe gy'abakulembeze wagendamu ekyokulowooza nti omulonzi bwakukubira essimu aba alina kyayagala. But people actually, if people were getting information, there wouldn't be any other thing they would be wanting from the leaders. Omuntu bw'ogamba nti Ministry ya Finance erwirizinze ssente bwe ziti za kukola luguudo bwe ruti, oluguudo oluva maybe ekasagama kugenda mu ntuusi, ssente zaalo Ministry ya Finance yazirwirizinze era zagenze mu Yunura obe ssente bwe ziba nga oluguudo is a feeder road nga lwa district, nti omubaka alese abuulidde abantu information ekikolebwa nti district y'erya Ntondo oba district y'e Sembabule sente mmeka eza parish development model kati ze bakarwirizinga, bantu bameka abakafuna, bantu bameka abalina okufuna ku route eno. Only that's what people want. Kubanga abantu bebeebeezaawo mu maka gaabwe. People do not depend on these MPs. Lwakuba nti abantu aba MPs kyabagenda mu mutwe nti oba abakubi bakalulu bwamukubira essimu ng'alina kyayagala omubuuza. Ate n'ekirala njagala kino okiyige mukwano. The reason as to why these voters end up now looking at their leaders as government is because these people have actually failed to breathe life into government programs. Gwe bw'olemererwa okulobinga eddwaliro oba eddagala, omuntu n'agenda mu ddagala, for instance, rather mu ddwaliro eddagala ne litabeerayo, kati gwe gwalabanga eddwaliro bw'ofairinga okumonitoringa government program nga UPE abaana ne batasoma omwana ne bamugoba at the end of the day gwagenda kulabika ng'essomero omukubi w'akalulu agenda kulabanga ki ngo either solution y'okusoma and yet because at the end of the day these things are supposed to be done by government but it is the government is the leaders that are supposed to follow up. Lwaki olowooza nti waliwo zi districts ze bawa ssente n'ogenda okuwulira nti ate ssente bazizizaayo kubanga budget eyo muba mwagikolera ki nga ssente temugenda zikozesa but it is because leaders are there, they are not doing their work, they are not monitoring, they are not implementing, they are not sensitizing, they are not mobilizing, they are just
don't know their work.
I don't know ate bwe kibanga tebamanyi nakyo bakitubuulire and it should be the reason as why they should not occupy those seats in the first place.
Mr. Nwabini, njagala kutukubeko tochi mu bantu bano omukomu. For example, has Haji Kigongo delivered to the NRM expectations?
Oh, well, I think it is Haji Kigongo himself who is best qualified to answer that question. Kubanga kakati kubanga kakati
mugamba nti osinzira ku kyenda bawa neno ono takoze bulungi ono akoze bwati oba unageza according to you what
Chemanyi Haji Kigongo nga Haji Kigongo yenga vice wa party chairperson party chairperson watabadde Haji Kigongo abaddewo.
Okay.
He has led so many committees, reconciliation committees, post-election committees, chibyonna. Nze mulabye banga deninga, he has been traversing even the hearing process after the aftermath of the primaries. Manya abantu beyuza nnyo. Ate Haji Kigongo ogomwatwa number agizanye nnyo. You know, trying to reconcile the people that have been torn apart, the people that have been injured because of the violent primaries, people that have been cheated. He has tried his best, really. So I want to give credit where it's due. At least we are from the fact that Haji Kigongo ya deputizing ate chairperson waffe. Chairperson watabadde Haji Kigongo abereddewo party.
Tugende ku mulala. Honorable Alitwala Kadaga, has he delivered to our expectations? She's also a minister in the government.
Well, nze njagadde kwogera ku kifo ekyange. So yes.
You're looking at being on the same table with these people.
You see, at the end of the day, I do not want to appear judgmental. And there should be corrective responsibility. There should be corrective responsibility. Bwe tugamba nti NRM ina policy eyokubeera ne ba members asatu buli ku kyalo. Ate nga ba members abo bali guaranteed gye bali. Per village. We have when you look at the statistics, you boss Uganda Bureau of Statistics, it was 72
villages.
72 plus 40,000 villages. National Electoral Commission net was 71 around there. Kati webuze whatever it is, whether it is 71 or 70 or 72. Kubisamu just njagala nkulage capital katugambe nti ogenda kutandika business sente zotandika nazo eno ye capital ya political capital je tulina okutandika nayo je tulina okubeera guaranteed nti bano we bali sate per village atenga sebu babayo sate per village just kubisamu for example kubisamu 71,227 villages olabe. Then on the other side, Kubisamu 626. You see the number of votes, the number of voters that NRM is guaranteed. Nga tetunagenda mu ballot. Ngabo tumanyi nti abo webali. Kiringo okubeera nga wesimbyewo nga ewake wuwo oyinayo nga abaana nga 20 nga okimanyi balonda. Naye ate n'ogenda ku polling station wonna bwe balondera n'osanga akalulu kamu akakuweka. Kati webuuza abantu abaana abo baba bakubidde. So kati webuuze, if we are guaranteed of over 2 million voters from the word go ng'obalina ate ne tugamba nti kati register yaffe erimu abalonzi 18 million
Yamwe ni mu
18 kati as we speak. Kubanga ya National Electoral Commission we project to be like 26 there. Eka kati we are inga echa 18 ne mtwara 3 mwe 13 mukakaga mubina mu nkaga 8 be balons ababe registered kati. Ideally these are because these are the total voters, total supporters and total voters of NRM at national level. Ate abaweze emyaka ejokuba akalulu simu NRM joka simu NRM yoka naye ne mu national what ne mu national register. Kati webuze lwaki abantu lwaki candidate waffe abeera wangula ne onre million mukaga million 12. Who accounts for the 12 extra million? Baba balazewa. First of all, it's so these people first of all do not vote. They are not mobilized. Some of them they sit at the fence. They don't decide. I think already they have already made a decision to be part and parcel of the game and of the part of the NRM. Tebali mu FDC, tebali mu NUP, tebali mu DP, tebali. Just like NUP also knows its database. Nekirala. Statistics show nti buli mwaka abantu miliyoni mu butundu 2 ne mitwala 5 bebaweza emyaka egy'okulonda. 1,500,000 people become of age of the election year. Every year, that is every year. Katukubisa cycle ya febera ya myaka 5. Ezo ze milioni 7 ne mitwalo 50. Ekitegeeza from the previous elections. Waliwo abantu abataronda kati abaqualifying okulonda abawera milioni 7. Kati ekitegeeza nti bano baba bawezeza emyaka 18. Omuntu w'emyaka 18 kati aba yazaalibwa ddi? Katugambe nga mu 2023. Ono omwana government ye NRM etandika omulabirira nga akyali mu lubuto lwa maama we. Nga agenze mu ddwaliro okucekinga antenatal. Government nemutandikako nemujjanjaba. Omwana n'azaalibwa ne bamugema. Omwana oyo mulaba ono kati agenda okuba akalulu. Omwana ne bamugema. In fact kyovolaba nti when we go bwetugenda mu kalulu kafaka people with disabilities bantu batini nnyo who have become disabled during this regime. In fact genda wetegereze abantu abesimbawo ku post eyo from village level to sub-county level to district level to national level. Nga ba myaka gino bazalibwa mu NRM.
What do you think are the factors?
Abeero no simanyi nali ntambula nengwa ne border nyine nkovu wano. Katoyo naye ne yita what? Yita disabled person. Netusoba kusanga nti omuntu yagongobala okugulu because of polio. Abana babagema. Measles abana babagema. Bana baberanga n'emitwe bwegitoba ngosanga nga someone is almost deformed and disfigured because of those killer diseases. All that was curbed. So you ask yourself why omuntu ngono gwe batandika okulabirira nga akyali mu lubuto lwa maama we nasoma maybe nagenda mu somero lya UPU nagenda mu UPE nagenda mu USE navayo maybe nafuna ne government scholarship naba skilled because there is now skilling Uganda by the government. I think it has been there for the last 10 years. Now lwaki omwana ono abatawagira government go lwacha aba omwana ono lwacha aba aduka ne gundi ne opposition ebe mukoledde ki? Because at the end of the day,
what do you think
because of the
people from supporting the government that has been in their life from
first
birth?
of all it is simply because our leaders are detached. Kyembadde nkugambye kiri our leaders are detached from the population. Nti abantu balina okubajjukiza nti gundi government ogikuba amafumu ogikuriticizinga naye yekoledde kino. Olaba ne Yesu yajja wano n'atufiirira ku musalaba naye buli Sunday we have to go to church to be reminded about what he did for us. So omuntu takulimbanga nti government ekoze ebimara whereby omuntu ayino biraba automatically n'amaaso. No, we have to be, there should be why would these people not vote for the party that has looked after them up to this age? Omuntu okutuuka okufa kubanga this is the constitutional age of consent. omuntu bwatuuka emyaka 18 ayina right y'okukola buli kimu. Olira he has a right even to drive. He has a right era ndoza n'abanywa omwenge bagamba tonywa 18. So this person is given rights to do all sorts of madness. So naye kakati ate madness agikwata ate n'agitwala ate in the strict sense. Yes,
you want to join the sake of NRM, and you are saying the people that are there are not delivering to your expression, or they are not doing their job rightly.
Mulimu emiwaatwa ekisooka kya byonna.
Abantu oyagala okugenda waliwo abantu abatali ready kuvaawo. How are you ready to undertake this or to partake this?
I wouldn't want them to be willing to even to leave. We shall make them leave. That is the essence of democracy. If we market ourselves to the voters and they refuse, that's the choice of the voters. At one point in time, President Museveni yesimba mu 1998 abantu ne batamutegeera. Owulira? Abantu ne batamutegeera. Wakati awo sigenda. But as we speak now, naye musajja ono buli muntu kati naye musajja ono bannange. Kati kyogamba President Museveni amagezi gayina agafunya kati nga yagafuna 1986 oba naruli yagayina. Olowooza bali tebawulira bye yali ayogera bye yali abagamba. So if these people don't understand us, especially the voters, or maybe they are misled, manyi waliwo omuntu okubeera nga just is not misled, rather is misled, or maybe your message has not reached out to these people, or maybe waliwo ekimuzibye ku maaso, waliwo enzikiza ekyamuzibye ku maaso. At one point in time, these people will wake up ne bagamba bano abakulembeze baffe. This is a mass party. Tewali institution nebwebera church. No, let me ask you. One of the most organized institutions in the world is the church. Mbulira ku kyalo kuliko church asatu. Waliwo ekyalo ekiriko amakanisa asatu. Sate churches. But our party has 30 members. From the branch. Just ask yourself, why don't we get the number that our president, especially at the national level, why don't we get the numbers that we deserve? Lwaki olowooza wano mu Buganda ba MPs ba ministers musanvu bonna ba losing? Why? Including the vice president. Here the central region. We have been privileged to have 2 consecutive vice presidents. Gilbert Bukenya bwe yavaawo ne wagenda ani? No, niwajja sekandi. I'm now speaking. Niwajja sekandi. Buganda region. I think president era namuwa. Nene bamukuba. Kasore no, Chiwanda Subi tebamukuba. Yavaamu n'alekera Gundo olinse egumire. Eri emityana. Nabakuba ne bamukuba. Kristo Mbingo ne bamukuba. Aruna Kasoro ne bamukuba. Amelia Chambade ne bamukuba. Vice president ne bamukuba. Seninde ne bamukuba. Oyira sebo
kiva kuki all these big wigs to lose in an election.
Kati we tugenda mu Buganda, buli region kati eri peculiar. Region yaffe wano mu central, there are so many land wrangles that need to be sorted out. In fact, I want to thank Honorable Judith Nabakuba and Honorable Sam Mayanja. They have tried to curb the rampant evictions, land wrangles. Ebyo ebinyiza abantu wano. N'ekirala kiri kyenkugambye ekikatinga across obutabeera in touch with the population kubanga bano tubafuula madaala bwe bamala otuteekeyo waggulu netugamba waliwo omukwano gwange yagambanga nti omuntu alinga nga ava mu lyato ova mu lyato osambasamba ate nga lyerikuleese erikusomeseza amazzi.
SEC membership of which according to ndaba yaffe abantu bonna abaliko bantu bakulu mu myaka and SEC doesn't seem to accommodate youth on their committee. You think you can take on this when you're in such
Well,
a age?
first of all, but yeah, I'm no longer youth.
Eh.
I'm a former youth, if you want to say. Maybe we won't comparing ku myaka ejange n'egyabali.
N'egyabali mu bifo, yes.
Ekyoka kya byonna president ffe atukutira obutalaba ku biology. Kubanga when we talk about age, that is biology strictly. We are talking about ideology. Nti omuntu ne bwabeera nga wa myaka 8. Because at the end of the day we need also to balance. You cannot have only those who are in 40s, in 30s, because at the end of the day waliwo ebibabulamu nabo. Okiraba? Waliwo kiringa okubeera n'ente nga waliwo ente mu Runyankole waliwo ze tuyita ezijija. Ezijija ze zino ezizaala. Kati gwe kiringa okubeera n'obuyana bwokka obwakamala okwonka oba obukyayonka. Ekyo nakyo kibeera kirungi. Kubanga waliwo ziri ate ezizaala ate eziyigiriza zino okulya okunywa amazzi. So these people, they are not omuntu afailing okukola not because nti wa myaka 7. In America we have Donald Trump who is is he 80 or I don't know. Kati ekyo kikulaga nti someone can actually deliver regardless of age, regardless of gender, regardless of ethnicity, regardless of culture. Okiraba? Kyovola abantu wano mu Buganda, there is a time in the Buganda cabinet when there was a Somali. Mandela, Oma Mandela, yali Minister of Finance wano mu Buganda. Ekitegeeza Kabaka yamulabamu ki? Obusobozi. Kati ffe tulaba obusobozi. Nti omuntu asobola okufairinga nga is at 40. Not a delivering. Ne bamuteeka naye n'alemwa. Not because ate nti mukulu, but because ne bwe yandibadde nga omuntu afairinga ku 70 kitegeeza even if it was so someone fails not because of age, not because of color, not even because of education.
In your party, former Secretary General Amama Mbabazi, one time, after it is now 10 years ago, in 2016, he made a statement in Nagamba. It is a crime to stand up and exhibit that you want a position in NRM. And at the moment we think and we see it may seem to be true by now because
a position
someone
in NRM.
Stand up in NRM Nagamba njagala kubeera president bagundi njagala kwesimba ku kigongo, they tell him step down. But now we want they step
No, you
step
see,
down.
people misquote democracy. Waliwo democracy neyo kukuba akalulu. Waliwo democracy ya consensus. Ng'omuntu temukubye kalulu naye ne mukkanya. Kiri kye nkugambye nti ono namba mwenda yaffe. Namba mwenda wa phone.
Mwakola consensus.
Bwe tukola consensus ne tugamba naye kakati omuntu zino golo zonna akyasikowalinga. Because at the end of the day you have to look at the other side. Gwosobola okwagala okukyusa simply because you want to change for the sake of change. But the other party is going to take away your victory. Ate pate yaffe NRM ffe tukyayagala wano emyaka 10. Myaka 10.
NRM nga President Museveni akyaliko.
Not necessarily, but NRM bwabanga walinga gwe tulabanga agenda okutuswalingira goals. Then be it. Naye in the event that he also is exiting, we must find a formidable candidate. Agenda kusqualinga nga naye ngoli.
But you've not nurtured one because tulabanga ne gwe mwandi nurturinze Muhoozi. He has made his own political party.
That is also
be ready to accommodate other youthful leaders.
I entirely associate myself with your argument. There is a lack of, first of all, cadre identification and nurturing. Tebiseera ebisinga tufudde political parties endala, our nursery beds, our political nursery beds, where we get there already abantu aba trained.
Which people?
No, you know them.
For the record,
No. If you look at the speaker and the deputy, where are they coming from?
FDC.
Thank you so much. Where does the Minister of Constitutional Affairs come from?
DP.
Where did the IGG come from?
The SDP.
Where did even Moses Ali, by the way? Name them. There are so many. There are so many. So of course it is in the NRM from the word go set out to be a broad-based government. Naye nti ebiseera ebisinga waliwo ensobi gye tukola NRM waliwo lwebehaving ng'omukyala breastfeeding omwana wa neighbor ng'owuwa ate akaaba. NRM instead of nurturing its own cadres abazaaliddwamu beekuzizza abagitaireddewo omubiri ate ye neegenda to poach from which is also okay, but at the end of the day it is this cadre who has been with you, who has walked with you all this journey that you have to nurture, you have to train. Kubanga gali amagezi ate gwe gwolowooza nti olaba mwoli ono bumu empawalinga ate asobola n'okusinga oli.
But there are no positions for you in the government that you want to be in, because for example we have people in an NRM government who have more than one position. For example, Lydia Wanyoto, she's on the women's league of the NRM.
Yes.
She's having a position at NPA, National Planning Authority. At the same time, she's a former member of the YALA. I think at this moment in time, she also wants to be a member of parliament. Woman MP Mbali. Where is your position?
With due respect, Naendo was there are positions that really there are positions is really appointive positions, elective positions. My focus is on the elective positions. That is also a very big challenge. To omuntu osanga nga yesimbyewo katugambe nga mu constituency nga Kabula. Ate y'omuntu y'omu ayagala kubeera NRM district chairperson of that district of Lyantonde oba Sembabula. I'm just giving you an example of the district I'm well versed with. Oba kale kankozi kubanga ziri mu central. Omuntu yesimbyewo katugambe ayagala kya district woman MP we Sembabule, but at the same time ate ayagala okubeera party chairperson wa district eyo. You understand?
Yesimbyewo wa woman MP
oba constituency MP.
Yes.
At the same time ayagala era yesimbyewo okubeera party chairperson wa district. Ate bwavaayo ne bamuwa bwa MP. Omuntu y'omu nga amaze okuwangula eri nga biri ebifo ebibiri abiwangudde. Ate bwavaayo ne bamuwa bwa minister. Kati ate nga tebamunamuwa ate n'ogenda okulaba nga ayagala kya seeki. Ogwo mulugube gwennyini gwe tulina okukuba. Gwe tusobola kubeera mulungi omu. Ffe mu Runyankole tugamba nti nyineeka n'ogwo. Nyineeka mumuyita muti. Ogamba the head of the family. The head of the family is only one person, and that is the president. The NRM family. Gwe tusobola okukkiriza okukola ki okubeera ne responsibilities ezo kubanga he is a time tested multitasker. Ekyo kyo kyeraga nti ayina ebintu byasobodde nga okubikwasaganya at the same time. Ne kaakati gwe an ordinary person, you want to be an MP, you want to be a district NRM chairperson, you have been given a ministerial position and you want a SEC position before we know. Now in the event nkugambye tugamba nti the head of the family is only one. Bwe tusobola okugamba nti aweere abaana, asasule ennyumba, agule emmotoka kubanga yo is the head of the what? The family. Naye kaakati gwe kadeideyi ovudde eri for lack of a better word. Oyagala bwa MP babukuwadde. Tokomyawo omulugube gukututte wa chairperson wa district. Nagwo otaddemu by'osobola okuteekamu n'omanipulating nga n'okola ki n'oyitawo. Kati ate bw'otuuse eno n'olobinga probably mu ngeri yonna ne bakuwa by any chance n'ofuna ministerial position. Ate kaakati nekya seeko okola ki okikimye. Kati awo gwe tuba tukuyitaani gwoba weeyita ki? Because at the end of the day, you are elbowing so many capable leaders in the first place. Tulina okugula amaaso bano abakubi b'akalulu ti omuntu bw'abeera minisita asooka atuukirize responsibilities obwa minisita, kubanga at the end of the day there are ministers that are actually sitting in SEC. N'ekirala waliwo ebintu ebiteebererekeka, there are things that are unavoidable ate nga they are unforeseeable, unpredictable. For example, ng'okufa. Okufa. Because it's a must. It's a must. Just in the unlikely event, God forbid, omuntu nga someone is occupying four positions. You are a constituency MP. You are a district NRM district chairperson. You are a SEC member or a minister or food.
Like it happened to Olanya.
I don't want to mention names.
Just an example.
Okay.
Like it happened to Olanya. Olanya was the speaker. He was the MP of Omoro. He was also
a SEC member representing
of Northern Region.
Just look at the vacuum.
And up to today,
look at the volume of work that is based on this person, and also the vacuum in the event that this person, anything happens to them. Just look at that situation. If this person maybe goes bonkers, nagwedaru, oba omuntu ono nakola ki oba nafa, kwangu okufa tekyewalika era tetusobola kutya kukyogerako.
Using an example of Olanya.
Yes.
Olanya pastor, we have only replaced only 2 positions. We have only replaced the one of Omoro.
Northern Uganda is now not represented. Probably maybe he was also the Moro district, maybe he was the district chairperson there. I don't know. May his soul rest in peace. Nekati njagala nkuwe the examples ze tulina okujjayo okulaga abantu nti our party needs soul searching. We need self reflection. Bwe tumala okuweereza president responsibilities mala tulina okwegabaganyamu. Bw'obeera minister, kiki ekirala ky'oba oyagala okuweerereza eno ate ku SEC? Kati nze nninda, I formulate these policies, they are sieved through next, through whatever, osanga oz implementing. Eno oba okolayo ki? Because a SEC meeting is going to be called when maybe you have traveled for a ministerial trip. Ng'olina ebintu by'olina okukwasaganya ebweru. Kati kino ekifo ne kibeera nga kiri vacant. Obanga olina okubeera mu SEC kati ate nga waliwo ministerial position gy'olina okukola ki? Gy'olina okufulfilling. Oba ku district, njagala okole research. District mmeka kati ezina NRM offices? I don't even know any. There are very few. Ate nazo ndowooza zosanga omuntu nga yetengeredde nga ayina responsibility ya chairperson. Kati for example nga side nze Kiruhura, for example nga chairman Nzeire, okusanga nga taina position indala. Si chairman LC5 wa district ayina position eyoka. That's why you will get time to lobby to construct maybe an office. Nekaka honorable Sam Kutesa yakikonye nakujjo yagamba nti bannange omuntu tuweereza omuntu ekifo, for example ng'ekya district party chairman wa district, omuntu alina obudde. Nawona example ya Mbabazi gyennyini gy'obadde owa nti Mbabazi yali secretary general ng'ali prime minister ate ng'ali constituency MP eri ewaabwe Kinkizi oba East. Probably ngari ne party chairman era ku district. At the end of the day, byabaawo, he lost. Prime minister ne bamujjako, SG ne bamujjako. Era neri n'avaayo.
Speaking about the SG, your party changed
the constitution.
The constitution
from
yes. He's now being appointed by the chairman.
He's now a public person, by the way.
But public, but appointed by only the president.
Yes,
the chairman of the party.
Not Chenkugamba.
That shows democracy.
It shows democracy. Why? It is because it is the delegates that decided.
But the chairman has the delegates forward, but the chairman is one.
That decision, let me tell you, the decision that to empower the chairman to appoint the secretary general emanates from the authority of the delegates conference. But delegates bobagula amaso. No balaganti, because we have in the region we have had challenges where the secretaries general at the end of the day turn against the party chairpersons. We had one here, I think the guy was called Oscar Kambona. Oscar Kambona here in Tanzania, and even in Kenya, Tom Mboya. I'm just giving you examples. It was in the wisdom of the delegates. Balabanti, tulina okuweereza omuntu nga president bw'alaba nga takoze bulungi. Because at the end of the day, when these people, abantu abaludde mu bifo, abeera n'enkizo y'amaanyi. Ntuli ne bw'yandiyagadde okukomawo, ate nga talina kyakoze, era yandimanipulating the system n'akola ki? N'akomawo. Naye kaakati ono bwe tulaba nti takola, tugamba president naye omusajja ono mugjeeko.
When you get an opportunity to meet the president, what advice would you give him? More so in terms of NRM mobilization and all that. What advice would you give him?
I would give him the advice that he should consider first of all on the issue of division of labor, and if someone has been elected an MP, ndoza tumuleke kwekyo ekifo. Ekyo ekifo kiba kimala. Even this hemorrhage of resources, okusanga ng'omuntu afune omusaala eno afune eri, that hemorrhage of resources is because no, it's okwongera obugaga, it's okay, but at the end of the day esente zandibadde zigenda awalala nga zisasula abakozi abalala. We are wasting that money on very few individuals. Olaba? So nze ekiteeso ekyo mugisha muntu yali yakireetaku nti omuntu, the president should actually etteeka eryo tulikyusa erigamba nti the ministers are going to be picked from the MPs.
Maybe they're trying to minimize resources, expenditures. Your government lacks people that are educated. Because surely you can't tell me one person has 4 positions. And you don't give them the positions.
Abantu webali naye kiri kyenkugambye. The starting point is card identification. President agezezaako okukikola naye bambi. I mean the man is also a human being at the end of the day. The man is a what? Is a human being. Alowooza ku nsonga za Africa nti Congo needs to be stabilized, needs to be pacified. Aina meeting ne president wa Congo, ne wa Rwanda, ne wa Burundi. Te ababa bali awo nti sate South Sudan Riek Machar bamukutte obani. Ati kakati oli gundi bamuyitani. Azze muno ayagala ku meeting. Oba bamuyise eri. Abali awo nti Kenya Ruto n'Odinga tikate bakwatagana betagisizaani kakati mbuza njagala ombulire NRM mobilizer bakada wena kapiripiriti asuubira ddi okufuna information from the president bwekiba nti president era yalina okugamba sente mmeka zigenda okujja ku PDM ddagala lyenkana ki erize mu ddwaliro ly'e Kapiripiriti oba Kaperebongo oba Leptongo. Kati what does the councillor there do? What is the chairman LC5 of Leptongo doing? What is the chairman LC5 of Kisoro doing? Naye era ayagala president ave South Sudan nga ave meeting eri ya Sudan aje Kisoro amugambe nti wano agenda na Kapiripiriti, agende Leptongo, agende na Paka, agende Kisoko, agende na Kasongola. President tumumenya nnyo. Iranze nze nyine ndowooza nti president obono teyandibadde na president wa Uganda gwanga ngali ndowooza yandibadde president nga gwanga ngazi Sweden, Denmark, Norway gwanga wanofe emitwe olaba abantu people are just moving with their heads on the shoulders naye nga sagala kuvuma naye nga omusajja really tumenya nnyo ndowooza president maybe Katonda yayagala otuyamba buyambi abere president wa wano ng'ono. But I think in the first place yalina kubeera president wa mawanga agakulakulanye even name ndowooza at the end of the day Norway, Denmark, Sweden, Switzerland kwanga kati wano tumenya nnyo omusajja kati omulabanga kati
Mr. Niwabini as we conclude mugamba president mumumenya but kitumanyi n'abantu abandi muyande ku mirimu bali mu kubasumbuwa. An example, your government or NRM government has an educated lady, Dr. Jane Ruth Acheng. Mchale ali akola mirimu gye yasoma gy'obusawo ne mumupaswedinga ajoininga NRM government n'agenda mu constituency n'anoonya akalulu n'akawangula. At this point in time omuntu gwe mwasembeza okuva mu UPC Betty Amongi even left her constituency gye yawangula recently agamba nti ku mulundi guneeno agenda ate mu constituency omuli omuntu yakajja mu NRM n'abawangula constituency yali balimye okuwangula nga UPC ya dominating region yonna. And you people, the cadres, are silent about this. What is your take on this?
No, I have seen General Tafiri trying to rein in that simple conflict between the two ministers.
It is simple.
Oh, this can be sorted out by the appointing authority. Kubanga President Museveni at the end, nze mbera nerimbe nywara nange mbera nkulimbe. Apart from maybe giving my point, my line of argument over my viewpoint, ekyandikoleddwa between the two, but at the end of the day, if the president came and reined in, really this would be a simple conflict. Kubanga to the best of my knowledge, waliwo abantu kale, there are people who are faulting that health minister. Someone told, because I rang a friend of mine called Major Wichpora, is at the secretariat. Ateja aveye wabwerira kubanga yali yesimbawo n'oyo mutabanyi wa Woboti oyo akena omusajja nga simukazi. So he knows the dynamics, and I think one of the things he told me is that this lady, there is a way he sidelined him. He sidelined a fellow NRM. So those are some of the things I think on which they are faulting the health minister. Neka katona ate this is
are the NRM people the one fronting Betty Amongi or
most probably, because this is the backyard of UPC, and I think I don't know whether Betty Amongi, if Betty Amongi really is going to stand on the ticket of UPC, I don't know.
Yes, of course she's using the same ticket.
But I don't think really that, you know,
because of the coalition that you people made.
No, but now, if this woman really accepted to come into the NRM, why can't she bring on board the people and convert them from UPC? It is not peculiar. It is not unheard of. The entire North used to vote against President Museveni. Bubago bakunya abantu banja ne bakyusa abantu. Aba bagundi ono musajja engineer bamuyitani. That engineer used to be in energy. Those are people who are Onek, engineer Hilary Onek. Bano bagundi ba Samuel Ngora, Moses Ari, Betty Bigombe. They worked tooth and nail to deliver the North. As we speak now, the North. Let me see the statistics. NRM has registered 3.7 million supporters from the North, from northern Uganda, in the recent Gund election.
Don't you think it is going to decline
now,
because of the wrangles that are rising now?
Kakati oyo omukyala lwakyayagala, you know, kati olwo yabeeranga kitengejja. In my own view, that is being in Uganda mchita kitengejja. Kugamba ki oli eno bakuyingiza eno munda. Why don't you bring on board the people who are subscribing to UPC, and you know they believe in you? Kubanga UPC is
but even herself has joined NRM as Betty Amongi, but only General Sajeni.
Well, I think the President Museveni probably abeera n'ebibalo bye. Naye ndowooza kakati ng'oyo omukyalo oyo bw'oba omuleese, for example, we need to investigate or interrogate President Museveni, how is he going to perform? Because at the end of the day, we want to see the political value of this lady. What political value is he adding to our system? Is she adding to our system? But one minister, President Museveni to have a polling station, how he will use to perform within that Lango sub-region.
You're trying to rate General Sachin?
No, I mean the UPC lady.
But she didn't change. She didn't convert.
That's what I'm saying. Asobola okubanga yeke nyini ta convertinze. Naye okumuwa bwa minister nga waliwo engeri gye kya impactinga performance ya President Museveni. Nti ekyo bakimuwera akalulu nti bagamba nti ono yawo omuwala waffe akalulu. Kati wano mu kaboksi y'omuwala katubeere nga tumutiikinga ng'ali ku tiketi ya UPC. Naye nga ne President Museveni tukola ki? Naye timuwa. We need to interrogate that. If those results are being achieved from there because of her, then she's somebody to reckon with.
Do you support her to inconvenience?
I don't need to support her. We need to put them on the weighing scale. Kubanga politics is all about okupima. It's not only occupying political space. What political weight do you have?
Jane Ruth delivered good things for NRM.
I'm not of course she performed really during COVID. She performed. I think she even got a medal or something like that.
But that was before she joined NRM.
It is on record. Where
she was just a minister of health, but not part of NRM.
Yeah, but she was working minister of health for implementing a government program. NRM. You are implementing NRM manifesto. She was not implementing FDC manifesto. So by inference, really, obokirizo kola nachi evale NRM government NRM eri muyinza. So I think abera yamba ko NRM.
So should we say that
because
NRM?
Mao is part and parcel of the vehicle now that is driving the system.
So if you blame this government, Mao is also part.
Definitely. Why not? Because omuntu yena ina responsibility. Either abera ne credit oba ne blame. Sagalondo was a senti. These people are supposed to take only the credit. Where government has failed, especially on the constitutional issues, matters to do with the constitution. How do you exonerate Honorable Mao, and yet he's the Minister for Constitutional Affairs? Oyagara exonerating simply because he's DP, but there is a merge. He has in a cooperation the government.
Is there any special arrangement in northern Uganda that President Museveni is targeting? For example, Betty Amongi, who are UPC, northern Uganda. Nobody Mao, DP, northern Uganda. What is Museveni still wanting from that region?
Ngabo nkugambi, from the word go, NRM was supposed to be broad-based, a broad-based system. NRM teina gwebola.
But yanfunye bakaders abantu ba neba empowering individuals rather than fetching from other parties.
Well, I think it is also one way of trying to bring new cadres on board. You are not going to only depend on your royal old cadres. As we said, the party, you need to keep on recruiting, because politics is all about numbers. At numbers, there are times we lose numbers to other parties. I can tell you, the current Secretary General, Rubongo was our party member, a very strong one.
Which year?
So many years back. I can nsobolo kumenyera abantu abali Joel Senyonyi. Yes. Joel Senyonyi stood here in 2011, in fact 2010, mu primary NRM to represent youth in the centre, for your information, if you didn't know.
It's on evidence to that?
It is on record, my dear.
In 2011?
In 2011,
Joel Senyonyi
he stood to represent the youth on NRM ticket, and he lost to Nakabari. He's among the people who lost to Nakabari. He was an NRM. He used to host me on NTV. Ngachakora ku NTV. Yali akora ne kugundi. He used to host us. Actually, me and another FDC guy called Moses Chibwang and Rubongoya. and another lady called Flores. She used to host us when there is a radio called Power FM. Is attached to KPC. Manyi Joel is the member of KPC, that church. He used to host us. Ngata nava ku UBC. Nava ku UBC nagenda kwen TV. Nze yampostinga nga amazo kubira abantu benare munga tebamukwata. Kati nakubira do why nikubide minister gundi ono yadansubiza okujja kati taze. Why don't you come and be a substitute? I'm the one he hosted. I was hosted alongside Ogenga Latigo and this lady who was in Yala. Bamuitani, I've forgotten. That lady is called Mshambi. She was a wife of a soldier called Mshambi. Kawamara. Shira Kawamara Mshambi. President Museveni ngalaira. You go, it is on record. Njogera masoga camera. In fact, I want to go to NTV and get that. I am the one who was hosted alongside those two people. Ogenga Latigo Professor, Shira Kawamara Mshambi. President Museveni Urunaku Royalaira. That was 12th May 2026.
And then Rubongoya?
Rubongoya kinyina agamba. NRM yenyini ya musomesa. He was part of the NRM. I know this. Nkumenye yomulala. Chairperson wabwe wa Electoral Commission Mase wa Rukamba yali yesimbe ku ticket ya NRM side zembale mu kalulu ka 2010 ne 2016 Mase wa Rukamba. She was an NRM kati bobo losing abo lwacho loza you don't need to add. Mase wa Rukamba was part. She's now the chairperson of the kubanga bogamba 2010 and 2016 chiba kitegeza nti n'emyaka emabega.
Because you can't come out on this journey.
Kati nkumenyedde abantu basatu bokka. Who are the top echelons? Mu position part at it, which is giving us sleepless nights. That means these people were short of how to keep in touch with them, maintain them, motivate them, ne tuba retaining. At the end of the day ne bagenda. Bali mu pate kati etatuganya kwebaka. Inaba baka 5 abantu 5 bava wano mu Buganda abantu 5 Now you tell me
you're buying proposition of SEC Buganda.
These are the things that we should really tackle.
Do you think this number can do
cadre identification and placement and retention? Why should these people go in the first place? Why should they go? Irabo gendo okulaba kada neglect ngakaruruka wedde post election kada neglect is a very very big point. We need to really to keep in touch with our cadres, not only to come in during election times and we start pampering them, we start cajoling them. No.
When you get an opportunity being a SEC member representing Uganda, do you think you can change the numbers of NUP winning Uganda?
It's a concerted effort. But I have already omanyi ekizibu kyonna ne webanga ndwadde obulwadde bw'omala obudiscovering nti unalwadde bwati, it is very easy to prescribe the medicine. Nze obulwadde bw'ekyo ekyaleeta ekyo nabutegedde. I sat down, even consulted, and I know where the disease is, and if the party really deems it fit, I can part of the team that will prescribe the medicine so that we will restore our lost glory, especially here in Buganda. Ate sino Buganda buka. Wanga wano bwembera SEC member nga chikirira Buganda. I'm not actually representing Buganda as a region. Just in Buganda, ngoli bwava munosi, but I'm a national mobilizer of the party entirely. I'm not supposed, of course, focus in sobo rugiteka wano mu Buganda, but also it is incumbent upon me. Okulaba nti president waffe does not lose in the north, does not lose in the east, does not lose in the west.
What is so big that people want from being a SEC member? Watagala kuvaako.
Watagala kuvaako ndowooza era abamu mu lugube. Abamu ndowooza era mu lugube. Kubanga bwe guba mutinga guno nga wagusimba gubeere n'ebyana n'ebibala mubiyita ebibala efu mu byanko tubiyita ebyana mubiyita ebibala mwaka gumu 2-3 that thing is even there in the Bible simanyi obo basoma dini ndi musiraamu kasimu mu Bible walimu the parable ey'omuti ogwo musajja asimba omuti gwe he watered the tree, he pruned the tree. Nagukolera buli kimu kyolina okukolera omuti. Ne buli lwagendangayo ng'okulabako ebibala nga tekuli. Okulabako ebibala nga tekuli. Okulaba agwadde ebigimusa tulidde amazzi. At the end of the day n'agamba gadde nawe namugamba guno omuti tugutemi. Why? Tugwadde chances ezimala. Kakati aba emiti gye tulina ku seeke egitabaze ebibala giba gikyakolako ki ejjambi yatwaze wagaze dda mulimu omuti gwolaba nti guno bannange abagiraba baba bagiraba emiti egiri ku seeke egitabaze ebibala nze in fact nkubiriza n'abantu mu constituencies endala egyo emiti egitabaze ebibala bagiteme. The word in that Bible was that kiri kyenkugambye ekyo kiri mu Bayibuli nkugambye I think it is Luke chapter 16 verse 3 something omusajja yagamba guno omuti nga gwoccupying space ya bwerere. So we have political trees that are occupying political spaces for nothing. And we have really sharpened our pangas to uproot these trees because they are occupying political spaces for nothing. They are not sprouting. Instead they are withering. They don't have. We have looked for fruits on them. The party members, the country, they are not delivering.
Is there too much money on stake?
I don't know. I'm not coming for money.
All right.
I don't know.
We are glad to have Mr. Niwabini Josie. We are promising that we shall have him at another time to interrogate more things facing the NRM and this challenge and how best NRM can improve its structures, improve its mobilization strategies. Mr. Josie, your last words.
My last word is that I want to beseech all the NRM members that time has come when people like us who have been in the political trenches to take up the political positions that are being occupied by the political trees that are not bearing political fruits. And some of us really have been mu Luganda tugamba okuteekako omubiri abamu pata yaffe tugiteereddeko omubiri. Nze mu kalulu ka 2016 President Museveni yankwasa General Tumukunde. I was the deputy coordinator. 2016. 2016, General Tumukunde was I was working under him with colleagues like Fenehans Tukamwesiga, with colleagues like David Muhwezi, with colleagues oyo Nsambo oyo twali naye. Nsambo was NRM. Was NRM. Oshabi. Was NRM. Are you aware of that?
He just changed to NUP recently.
Twaina timu nnene. Nze ndi omu kwabo abazza NRM institutions through having outreaches and all that. Mu 2006 when I was in my second year at camp at Makerere, it was almost abominable okwogera ku NRM. Abamu kuffe twayimuka ne tugamba wano tugenda kufiirawo. In 2006 we mobilized. We restored the dignity of NRM at Makerere specifically and across all the universities. Omanyi universities across the globe zibeera ziri anti-government, anti-existing government. I can assure you now kati universities ezimu ziri mu NUP. But NUP were capturing a power. Simanyi ekyayingira mu universities. We're capturing immediately. They will change. But we tried to market. We tried to bring back the glory of NRM. Chovola in 2008. Twaleta candidate bamwita is now a lawyer, is counsel in town, is Robert Rutaro. Nga NRM emaze emyaka 10 tewangula nga twali tusembyeyo okuwangula mu mu fendondoza nga tetunabawo during the time of Kajingo. Fendoza nga tukyali mu primaries 10 years back. You count from 2008, 10 years back. That was 1998. Nga wakati awo NRM tefunangayo guild president nga ali ku party NRM. Robert Rutaro is a lawyer agenda ombuzi. Nsoba nokuwa enamba ye. Nga ffe twayimuka ne twesoolayo bwantogo. Nga it was abhorrent okwogera ku NRM ku university. Nga opposition bamaze ogicapturing, especially FDC tufunye ba abo Suzani, ba Gerard Karuhanga, ba Mukasa, bani abo nanga bava mu opposition ba Kibarya Kibarya yesimba one candidate gwe twali tuwagira is also a city lawyer now. Jet tumwebaze ne tuwagira tumwebaze yali amusinze naye ne batubba because the party then had reneged its responsibility to remain in touch with the supporters at the universities. Ukakana candidate wafe ne wamusinga ne tugenda ne mu court during time ya Jet. We even went to court. We were represented by a lawyer called Kandebe Ntambirwechi. At the end of the day, we lost. That man who cheated us is now in parliament. Can you imagine? That man who cheated our candidate, Jenny Jot Mwebazi, Chibaria. I think I was in my Yasinga, I mean, that man was a minister. We are seeing Yali Chiyinji, Asman Chiyinji. Nekatu Baja Nebakorachi, Nebajigabanyam. That Chibaria man was DP. So really, some of us really have scars to show for the party. We have been in the trenches for quite a long time, and we are not about to relent. We
can't get enough of Mr. Niwabine's time, but we are promising you that we shall be having different episodes of him to speak out his heart about NRM, about a party he was born in, like he told us that he was born in
NRM by bus.
We shall continue having episodes of him every week at least, I'm sure. We'll spare some time for us. Thank you so much, Mr. Niwabine. I am Kasim Sematimba. I encourage you to go to our website and type in www.mulengeranews.com to read our articles and share them as well. Also, those that are watching us on YouTube, you can just like that button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more of our information. I say goodbye to you for now.
Thank you.